Hi guys, and in this lesson we will learn about the text formats and comments we have in HTML. So let's start with the text formats. Now we have a B element indicating bold text. Then we have a strong element indicating important text. Then we have an italicized element indicating italic text indicated with an I. Then we have EM element indicating emphasizing text. Then we have a mark element indicating marked text. Then we have a small element indicating smaller text. Then we have a DEL element indicating deleted text. Then we have an INS element indicating inserted text. Then we have a SUB element indicating subscript text. Then we have a SUP element indicating superscript text. Now, let's make create an example of each one. So underneath the B tag, we create a P tag, paragraph tag, B. Then we type in the quick box dumped over the lazy dog. Now we want to bolden the quick part, so let's type in B. Then we type in the B at the end as well. So in order to see what this looks like in the browser, let's open the live server. As you can see, the bold tags will bolden the quick right there. Close that up. So the next one is the strong tag. So let's go to the strong. It's underneath it. Let's just copy and paste this one to make it quicker and easier. So let's make it strong there. Strong there. Open it in the browser. Now, as you can see, the B tag and the strong tag, the quick part here, quick part of this B tag and the quick part of the strong tag, both look identical. But there is a distinct difference between the two. Now we go to SEOability.net. Now they have a nice explanation of when and how to use the strong and B tags. If you want to highlight a text section as important in terms of content, you should always use the strong. You should only use bold if you intend to draw attention to a section. Now I will leave this part in the description section of this video so that you can go and read up further for more clarity or information about the strong and bold tags. Alright, so the next part we will do is the italic and emphasized text. Let's go to them in VS Code. Right, let's copy this part over here and paste it in there. The job as a developer is to learn how to copy and paste to make your job easier. Okay, so the first part there in the strong, we're going to type the I, kind of do the emphasizing just to make it easier for us. So and quick, so that EM in the well. Okay, so for us, we put in the I tag and the EM tag. So let's see how this looks like. Open. Now, as you can see, the italic tags, you will see it looks like this, and the emphasized tags also look like that. But as with the above, there is a distinct difference on how you use them. Screen readers will look at the EM version and actually emphasize the text to the user. but it will not with the italic. But visually, they will both look identical. Okay. The next one, we will do the mark text. So in VS Code, we're gonna copy again and paste it in there. Right. So for us, we will change this to mark. Open it with VS Code, the live server. Now, as you can see, the quick fox jumped over the lazy dog, but the quick part is highlighted for us to see. So the mark text will highlight the section between its two tags. All right. The next one, we will do the small one. VS Code. The small tag are a little bit unique. You don't write them between two p tags. You write them on their own. So let's do it like this. Now we will write here copy, write 2020. Now small tags are used for copyright statements at the page footer, disclaimer information, or licensing information. You will use your small tags. Which brings us to our next one, the delete. So let's copy the paragraph there above, insert it there, and we replace this with delete. Type a new one. This. Say the crazy fox is brown. Now we want to indicate that the crazy has been deleted, so we will go here and type it like this. Then we insert it there. Now if we open the browser, you will see under the deleted tags, you will see the crazy fox is brown. But you will see there's a strike through crazy, indicating it is being deleted. Okay. Let's go to the inserted part. Let's copy this section over here, the paragraph, and just put it underneath the inserted heading. And then we're gonna do the INS, but we wanted to say smart. So let's open the browser. Now, as you can see, under inserted tags, we say the crazy smart fox is brown, but the crazy has been deleted and the smart has been inserted, so that the person is seeing that we removed the crazy and inserted the smart. Right. So that brings us to the subscript and superscript. Let's go to VS Code. Alright, under the superscript, we're going to type in a paragraph tag, and then we're going to say the water molecule formula is HSUB 2, and then we type O. Okay, and let's see how that looks like. In the browser, open with live server. Now, as you can see, the two of the S between the subscript tags, the SUB tags, as you can see, is a half a character lower than your normal line. So that is normally used in chemical formulas, chemistry formulas. So the next one we're going to do is the superscript. Let's go to VS Code. We type in the paragraph, and here we're going to just write 10 SUP 2 equals 100. Now the SUP tag is the opposite of the SUB, because the SUP tags, the superscript, actually will be a character above your normal line, and the SUB one will be a character below the normal line. So let's see how this looks like. So as you can see, the superscript one, you will see the 2 is above the normal line, and here the 2 is below the normal line. Alright, and that brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys for being here and watching it right through to the end. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. I will look at them. And in the next video, we will discuss quotations, and I will see you there. Thank you.